How to convert landscape video to portrait in Capcut PC. So if you want to convert landscape video into portrait in Capcut PC, then what you need to do is first select the video or the image that is in the landscape mode. And what you need to do is you need to simply select that, and once you've selected your video or image, you need to simply go for the ratio here on the bottom right. So you need to select 9:16. And once you've selected 9:16, you will have the video or audio under that ratio, right? And that's how you can convert your landscape video to a portrait. And if you want to remove this black, which is here on the upper side or the lower side of your video, then you need to simply go for the canvas option. Select the video or image and then go for the canvas, which is here, and then go for the drop down bar and select blur. And under blur, you need to choose the extreme blur. Once you choose, now here, if you play the video or the audio, then you will have this kind of interface. So that's how you can convert your landscape video to a portrait in Capcut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.